Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of product hauls and product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, don't forget we have our first official holiday giveaway going on that will be linked down below. And I'm excited because today we have a brand new subscription. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we are going to get into the box and see more and see what exactly it is. Now I'm going to put my glasses on because I'm going to be reading from my laptop that I have right here to tell you about this. So I normally don't wear my glasses in videos. All right, so this is called the Giving Tree is the name of this box. So it says, what is the Giving Tree? The Giving Tree is all about home, health, and heart. For years, we've helped others through charitable contributions and with creating amazing products in our own business and helping people take control of their own health. People can expect every month to receive several different products that cover an expanded range of things: personal care, candles, chocolate, snacks, jewelry, books, and education, homemade crafts, even amazing items you may have never even thought of. It's going to be catered specifically to their likes, which I think is really, really awesome. Every month, 10% of sales will be donated to a charity. It will change every month based on the box, which I think is really awesome. It says helping others is and will always be our top priority, and that will not stop with creating these boxes. All of the products come from small businesses that care about what they do and create as much as we do. So there is that about the box, and then they do have two different boxes. They have this monthly box and a seasonal box. So you can also get one-time boxes. So they have their one-time box themes are coffee lovers, relaxation, and sweet treats. The coffee lovers and the relaxation are $49.95 with a value of $85, and the sweet treats is $39.95 with a value of $65. The monthly box is $39.95, and the seasonal box is $49.95. So they're both going to be the same, just your preference, whether you want to receive it monthly or if you want to receive it seasonally. So just 4 times a year. So, and again, this is called the Giving Tree. And let's see. So what I did was when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do, this is the monthly box. It even says personalized for you on the side. What I did was I actually went and kind of let them know things that I love, So the box is based on my preferences. So I think that is really neat that they sent this to me but allowed me to do this as if I was a customer ordering a monthly box. So thank you to the Giving Tree for sending this. I will put a link to their site down below if you want to check them out. Great gifts, great way to treat yourself as well. So here is what the box looks like, and here's where it says monthly box and personalized for you. So we open it. We have our tissue paper and sticker. I can tell. I know one thing that's in here. I think, anyway. All right, so we got some brown squigglies on top. I'm going to remove those. Okay. So this is what we see when we open it. I don't want anything to fall. So it is filled with lots of goodies. I just had my lighting fall. Okay, lighting fixed. All right, so now let's get in here and see what we got. So I see some stickers here. I love this pumpkin patch. and then the Given Tree. All right. And then this is beautiful. This is like an acrylic leaf, but it has a magnet on the back. That is just beautiful. Let's see. And this is a pumpkin pie body scrub. Yes, please and thank you. Let's give it a sniff. It's from Simply Spa. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. That smells so good. All right, and then what do we have here? Brix Bites. So this is milk chocolate, smooth dark, and extra dark. So we got some chocolate, which is definitely something I like. And then this is also from Simply Spa, Pumpkin Shake and Go Face Mask. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the bag, seal it and shake, and then apply. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. Oh, and there's even the little spoon to help get it out. That's nice. All right, and then we have Loon Chocolate, 70% dark chocolate with roasted almonds. Yum. In case you can't tell, it's one of my like chocolate and coffee. And then we have, this is from Island Soap. This is Coffee Butter Lip Balm. All right, and then I have seen these and I have always wanted to try one. We will be trying this tonight. It's the popcorn, but it's like on the corn, on the cob. I'm stuttering because I got so excited. Oh, I can't wait. All natural, no additives, Kansas grown. Sunflower Food Company. Oh, I cannot wait. And it's even got my old school little farmer truck on there that I love. All right. And then, what is this? Pure sugar candy. Creamsicle candy cubes. Yum. And then we have got, oh my God, this is probably so good and so 100% mine. And yeah, this is a lemon burst, like gigantic cookie. And yeah, but it is wheat and gluten free, GMO free, natural ingredients. Yeah. And then this is a coffee scented candle. This must be what I'm smelling, because when I first opened it, I smelled coffee, and this was sealed. My God. Oh, there's even little coffee beans in there, y'all. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see, we got some more stuff down here. Let's see. I will look at that in just a second and then get whatever this last piece is. Oh, well, this is fun. You can color this. It's an adult coloring page. And then this is the treasure chest. Not sure what this is. Handmade with resin. This must be talking about the magnet. So it's resin. I said acrylic, so it's resin. But isn't it? It really is gorgeous. So there was a lot of stuff in this box. A lot of like really good stuff. I really like this box. Like I said, this is an amazing way to treat yourself, or this would make a great gift. You know, if you know what someone really likes, you can fill that in, select the box for them, the one-time boxes, or like I said, fill in the survey, and they're going to get a great box. This was awesome. I am thoroughly impressed for the beginnings of a subscription box. This, like, yeah, 2 thumbs up. This was fantastic. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will put a link to the Giving Tree if you'd like to check them out for the one-time boxes or the monthly or seasonal box. Thank you so much to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate everyone just being here and watching. That support is just as equally amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget about the giveaway. Make sure you enter, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.